Hello, ma'am. Myself, Avinash Lande, and today's topic is climate change. Today date is 29 February 2024. Let's we discuss about the climate change or the observed in changes over the 20th century included increases in global air and ocean temperature, rising the global sea levels, long-term sustained widespread reduction of snow and its ice cover, then changes in atmospheric and ocean circulation, as well as regional weather patterns which influences seasonal rainfall condition. These changes are caused by extra heat in the climate system due to the addition of greenhouse gases to the atmosphere. These addition greenhouse gases are primary input by human activities such as the burning of fossil fuels, that means coal, oil, and natural gases, deforestation, and agriculture, and land uses changes. This activity increase the amount of heat trapping greenhouses gases in the atmosphere. The pattern of observed changes in the climate system is consistent with an increased greenhouse effect. Other climate influences such as volcanoes, the sun, and the natural variability cannot be alone explain the timing and extent of the observed changes. The climate refers to long-term regional or global average of temperature, humidity, and rainfall pattern over seasons, years, or decades. While the weather can changes in just a few hours, climate changes or longer longer time frames. The climate change is a significant variation of average weather condition becoming, for example, warmer, wetter, or drier over several decades or longer. It is the longer term trends of that differentiate climate change from the natural weather variability. Human activity leads to the in atmosphere atmospheric composition either directly via emission of gas or particles, or indirectly via atmospheric chemistry. And anthropogenic emission have driven the changes in a WMGH MGHG concentration during the industrial era. Reactive forcing Radioactive forcing is a measure of the change in energy balance of the earth system in response to some external perturbation. Positive radioactive force leads to the warming, and negative radioactive forcing to cooling. The radioactive forcing concept is valuable for comparing the influence on the global mean surface temperature of most individual agents affecting the Earth's radiation balance. The radiative forcing and effective radiative forcing by concentration change between 1750 and 2011, with associated uncertainly uncertainly range. The next one is understanding our current and future climate are questions that are too larger and too complex to be tackled by the single country, agency, or scientific discipline. Scientific discipline through international scientific cooperation and partnership. The World Climate Research Program supports the coordination or partners and modeling groups, particular participating in the coupled model intercomparison project, or the CMIPS advance our understanding of the multi-scale dynamic interaction between the interaction between the internals and that's all about the climate change. Thank you.